Can apple cider vinegar cure erectile dysfunction? Apple cider vinegar (ACV) is a condiment fermented from apples. It's a popular health food that's used in pickles, salad dressings, marinades, and other recipes. Apple cider vinegar has been used as a home remedy for many common health conditions. Some have claimed that ACV can treat or even cure erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction (ED) happens when men cannot get or sustain erections for sexual intercourse. This is a common problem that happens for various reasons. Common causes of erectile dysfunction include heart disease, relationship issues, emotional distress, stress, anxiety, depression, substance abuse, smoking, injury, diabetes, obesity, cancer, and treatment side effects. Is apple cider vinegar a proven ED remedy? Currently, no studies exist on how ACV directly affects ED. Some explored health benefits of ACV are blood glucose control, weight management, and heart disease prevention. The idea that apple cider vinegar can treat erectile dysfunction may come from the fact that it helps treat some of the causes of ED. Men who have type 2 diabetes are more likely to develop ED. One 2010 study showed ACV lowers blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. Being overweight can also lead to erectile dysfunction. According to a study from 2009, ACV may help lower body weight and mass in people with obesity. Heart disease may also cause ED. A 2012 study showed that regular ACV use may lower blood lipid levels. Lowering lipid levels helps prevent heart disease. An animal study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2011 showed that ACV could help lower cholesterol. Lowering cholesterol can help prevent heart disease. Still, apple cider vinegar is not known to cure any disease, nor is it a magic bullet for weight loss. Ultimately, more research is needed to understand its relationship with male sexual health. How to use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in many recipes and may also be taken as a daily supplement. Here are some ways to use it. Plain supplement. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar by mouth per day. This is the same dose used in some human medical studies, but be careful not to take more, as it may cause harm. Mix in marinades. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to a meat marinade. Vinegar is a common ingredient in marinades. Though some will cook out when exposed to heat, it will retain some properties. Use in salad dressings. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons raw in a homemade salad dressing. Use in ferments. Add a dash to homemade pickles, or make fermented foods with the condiment. Can apple cider vinegar cause side effects? Apple cider vinegar is not a medical treatment for erectile dysfunction, and it cannot replace treatment for diabetes or weight problems. You should talk with your doctor about any health concerns you have and follow the plan of care. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acids. Taking it raw may cause stomach pain or discomfort. It could cause damage to the throat, mouth, and esophagus if taken in high amounts, though this is unlikely. However, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel. People who take certain diuretic or insulin medications should not use ACV regularly. It can make these medications less effectiveness. It can also lower levels of potassium, an important nutrient. The takeaway: taking apple cider vinegar daily can have a positive effect on your overall wellness. Still, there is no research yet proving that apple cider vinegar cures or even treats erectile dysfunction or other health problems. Studies show that regular ACV use can be generally supportive to health. It may also help with issues like diabetes, heart disease, or obesity. These problems in turn can cause erectile dysfunction. Consider apple cider vinegar a healthful food and supplement for your regimen. You may experience benefits to your health overall, including less problems with erectile dysfunction with very little cost or risk.